Hello guys, today I'm opening Panini Contenders Basketball 2020-21 trading cards. Last batch, 6 cards. Didn't want to split into videos because not a lot of great cards in these packs. Video I'm filming just while the playoffs are happening, and it's actually after the Timberwolves won the second game against Phoenix. Philly is down 2-0. I think who's 1-1 Pacers versus Bucks, and Dallas leveled up with the Clippers. So yeah, that game the Timberwolves won, and Dallas as well won, and Indiana won. Yeah, that was last night's games. So looking Tyrese Halliburton and Anthony Edwards. 6 packs, 22 cards each, 132 cards in total, 18 base cards per pack, 2 parallels and 2 non-base cards. So still looking for a autograph card, which I didn't manage to find in the previous packs. So fingers crossed, at least one autograph out of 26 packs. Kyrie, Sekou, Tatum, Graham, Nurkic, Gobert, Bagley, Porzingis, Giannis, Chris Paul, Phoenix, Aaron Gordon, Steven Adams, Michael Porter, Kyle Lowry, Chris Middleton, Tobias, Derrick Rose, Julius Randle, and the next card is our first bronze parallel, which is Jokic. Very nice. Game night tickets for Kyrie, Giannis on the international, and our rookie is Denny Avdija, the red parallel. Okay, cool, good results. Let's say color match for Denny, and we have 2 internationals. One of the top 3 players right now in the league, top 5. Unfortunately, Giannis slightly injured, and Denver are leading 2-0 against Lakers in the playoffs. Okay, next pack number 2 is Kyrie, Sekou, Tatum, Graham, Nurkic, Gobert, Bagley, Porzingis, Giannis again, Chris Middleton, Tobias, Derrick Rose, Julius Randle, Andrew Wiggins, Karl Anthony Towns, Rui Hachimura, Oladipo, and one more card, Horford. Now is our bronze parallel, Yusuf Nurkic, James Wiseman, wow, draft class, Luka Doncic, and Jalen Smith on the bronze. Bronze would be color match, red parallel on draft class. Nice. Luka on Slovenia, James Wiseman, draft class base, and Yusuf Nurkic on the bronze. Okay, pack number 3. Pack number 3, still I believe no auto, unfortunately. Ben Simmons, Gordon Hayward, Kawhi, Buddy Hield, Luka, Patty Mills, Kevin Love, Bradley Beal, Ja Morant, Malcolm Brogdon, DeMar DeRozan, DeAndre Hunter, LeBron James, D'Lo, LMA, John Wall, Joel Embiid, and still Goran Dragic, and the next is green parallel is Kyle Kuzma. Now Giannis, we have Giannis, one more Giannis on the international, James Wiseman, why? And Luka Doncic game night tickets on the red. So many James Wiseman. Look, 20 free packs open today. I opened 23 packs and I got 6 James Wiseman cards. Besides Tyrese Maxey, that's the top player I got out of 23 packs. 3 more packs to go. No LaMelo, no Tyrese Halliburton, no Anthony Edwards. And no autograph. Out of 24 packs, no autograph. Please don't be another James Wiseman in this pack. Klay Thompson, Karis LeVert, Siakam, Kobe White, Bojan Bogdanovic, Westbrook, Jaylen Brown, Draymond Green, Valanciunas popping out, Steven Adams, Michael Porter, Kyle Lowry, Chris Middleton, Tobias, D. Rose, Julius Randle, Andrew Wiggins, Karl Anthony Towns, and our green parallel is Ja Morant, Triple J. And finally, we got Anthony Edwards, Damian Lillard, and Pascal Siakam. Out of Cameroon. I wish I've seen a game when he's playing for Cameroon, but at least he's not playing for Team USA. That's for sure. So, woohoo! Finally, Anthony Edwards draft class. It's so hard because you get only 1 rookie per pack, and to receive finally Anthony Edwards. My prayers have been heard, and thank you very much for at least 1 Anthony Edwards. Whew, that's it. Anthony Edwards, team in the playoffs. Best of luck, everyone. Probably no autograph again, and 1 more pack is left. Draymond Green, Valanciunas, Ben Simmons, Hayward, Kawhi, Buddy Hield, Luka Doncic, Patty Mills, Kevin Love, Carmelo, Paul George, Malcolm Brogdon, DeMar DeRozan, DeAndre Hunter, LeBron James, D'Lo, LMA, John Wall, and we have our parallel, which is upside down. It's green, and it is Eric Gordon. Wow. Joel Embiid. Draft class is Cole Anthony and Jalen Smith in red parallel. As second, and I think Cole Anthony, I believe 3rd or 4th card of his. We pulled out of those 25 packs. So right now 25, 1 more pack left. And still no autograph. But I am positive we won't have autograph in this pack as well. So it's very unfortunate. So it's not worth buying loose packs, only the sealed product. So let's go. Lonzo, Anthony Davis, Jaren Jackson, Trae Young, John Collins, Brandon Ingram, Blake Griffin, Terry Rozier. Season tickets, Blazers, T.J. McCollum, Montrezl Harrell, Durant, Markkanen, Jamal Murray, Mitchell Robinson, R.J. Barrett, Devin Booker, James Harden, and we have Bam Adebayo finally. First, I believe, Bam Adebayo out of this whole bunch. And bronze parallel of Christian Wood. International ticket, Luka Doncic. And we're going to have, I believe, if I'm not too wrong, we will have 2 rookie cards in this. Joel Embiid game night tickets. I was about to say maybe an autograph. So just having previous pack, we had Joel Embiid, and draft class another red Denny Avdia. Okay, so Joel Embiid game night ticket back to back. And yes, thank you very much for Luka Doncic on the red, and Anthony Edwards rookie card. So thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed. That's the last packs. I have 4, I think, sealed boxes. So I'm not gonna open these in near future of these value packs because there's 100, well, not 100%, but like 99% is one autograph in that box. So I'm gonna keep them sealed and see how it goes. So, like I just mentioned before, thanks for watching, guys. Hope you enjoyed it and see you again in my next video.